We are going to learn English. Yesterday we completed our worksheets. Today also we will start with worksheet only. So without wasting time, take out page number 15 of worksheet. So children, this is page number 15 of worksheet. It has grammar. Today we'll be doing this both exercises of grammar. This is of chapter number 8, this is of chapter number 9, right? Along with that we will do couple of scene passages of chapter number 2, right? Chale, so let us get started. Underline the adjective in the following sentences. Very easy, we have already learned adjective. Adjectives are describing words. So that food tasted bitter. Food कैसा था? Bitter. So underline bitter. That is the adjective. I was ashamed that I didn't pass my test. How was I? Ashamed. So ashamed becomes the adjective. The story was very brief, very long, right? So brief is the adjective. I felt very comfortable in my new home. How do I felt? Comfortable. So comfortable is the adjective in this sentence. The man was very creepy on Halloween. Creepy माने the one who nags, जो हमेशा complain करता रहता है. So unusual behavior जिसका हो there, that is known as creepy. So creepy is the adjective. My dad was courageous when he killed this spider. So how was my dad? Courageous, हिम्मत वाले. My friend is anxious for his birthday. Very excited. Anxious is very excited. So anxious. Underline anxious. It was very breezy today. How was today? Breezy. I am eager to start my test. How am I? I am eager. Adjective है describing word, जो भी noun को describe करता है. My brother was excited for his basketball game. How was he? He was excited. Right? चलिए, now chapter number 9. Complete the following sentences with a, an or the. Before starting this, please write here chapter number 9. That is articles. Right? चलिए. Danny wanted dash new bicycle for Christmas. Here new starts with the consonant. So here we'll write the answer A. Next, Jennifer tasted dash birthday cake for her mother had made. Here we are talking about the particular cake that has been made, right? So here we will write the, because we are talking about some particular thing. Jenny tasted the birthday cake her mother had made. Now, the children have dash new teacher called Mr. Green. Again, it starts with the starts with a consonant, so we will write a or a. All pupils must obey dash rules. Specific rules are we talking about, so we will write here the. Dad turned on dash radio to listen to dash news. Right, here again we are talking about some particular thing. वही radio शुरू करने का. So though Dad turned on the radio to listen to the news. Alex is in Boston studying for MBA. Studying for the MBA. The teacher read dash interesting article from the newspaper. Here it starts with I, that is vowel. So the answer over here would be A-N-N. There was dash huge crowd of people outside the church. Julie talked for dash R about her school project. Now children, over here this word starts with H, but the pronunciation, when we speak H-O-U-R, the pronunciation is not hover, it is R. So the pronunciation starts with O. That is the reason we will write here N. What we will write? N. Right? Dash European expert was invited to speak to the committee. Talking about some particular expert. So here we will write the. The European expert was invited to speak to the committee. Then चलिए, now let us move to the scene passage of chapter number 2. So on page number 11 we have scene passage of chapter number 2. We will be completing both these scene passages today in CW and both the unseen passage of chapter number 2. इसके पहले वाले पेज में जो है वो आज का आपका होमवर्क रहेगा, राइट? चलिए, let us read this scene passage that we have studied. A colony of bees contains 15,000 and 60,000 bees, but only one queen bee. The queen bee lays eggs and runs the whole hive. Other bees are worker bees. They take different things such as building the honeycomb, cleaning it, feeding the young bees, and make honey. Some bees act as guards and protect the hive. Right? This is a chapter. This is a paragraph from the second chapter. The colony of bees can contain dash and dash bees. So here we will write the answer: 1500 and 60,000 bees. It's fine, it's here. Next, there is only one queen bee. Yes. What are the other bees? Other bees क्या उसको क्या बोलते हैं? The other bees are worker bees. So you write the answer: the other bees are worker bees. Done? It's here. The answer is here. Now, what do they do? क्या काम करते हैं वो? They do different things such as building the honeycomb, cleaning it, feeding the young ones, and making honey. The whole sentence would come as the answer. चल, you have to write this. They take, here take की जगह पे आएगा do. They do different things such as building the honeycomb, cleaning it, feeding the young ones, and making honey. Right? Chal. Now find the opposites. Many, few, same, different. The opposite of same is different. Old, opposite new, or young. Both the answers are right. If you are writing young, then also it is right. If you are writing new, then also it is right. Chal. Find meanings of meanings. Synonyms, right? Constructing. So constructing is building. We are building something, right? Save. So synonym of save is protect. Few. What is the synonym of few? Here it is some, right? So you'll write here some. Why does the queen bee never work? So the answer would be because she lays the egg, she is never working. She is the one who runs the whole hive. So you will write the answer: the queen bee lays eggs and runs the whole hive. Write the answer over here: the queen bee lays eggs and runs the whole hive. Right? Next, make plural. One and many. We already know this. So one worker, many workers. One thing, many things. One egg, many eggs. Chaliye, circle all the verbs in the passage. Come to the passage. Whichever verb, काम जो किया है वो, instead of circling we will write over here: a colony of bees can contain 15,000 and 60,000 bees, but only one queen bee. So the verb over here is contain. Next, the queen bee lays eggs and runs the whole hive. So lays, runs. Other bees are worker bees. They do different things such as do, then act, then guard, then protect. उसके अलावा building, cleaning, feeding and making, they are also verbs, but they are not ing form. They are of ing form, so I am not writing it, but this is for your information. Alright, chaliye, think and answer. Give the collective nouns for the below given. We already studied collective nouns, so it would be easier for you. The dash of students, the class of students, yes. The dash of cows, a herd of cows. And the dash of fish, school of fish. Isn't it very funny that fish के group को school बोला जाता है? Right. So here we complete बातों बातों में scene passage 1 is been done. Come to scene passage 2. A lot of people do bee farming. They are called beekeepers. They use man-made hives for the bees to live in. It is like stack of boxes. Inside the boxes are several partitions where bees build honeycombs for storing their honey. So these little insects called honeybees work very hard to get honey, explained Grandma. Now the first question over here is, who are beekeepers? So we'll write the answer. The people who do bee farming are called beekeepers. The people who do bee farming are called beekeepers. Next, where do bees build honeycombs? So the answer would be, bees build honeycombs inside the boxes. So bees build honeycombs in the partitions inside the boxes. Right, now the third one, what do they store in the boxes? So the answer would be, they store honey inside. They store honey in the honeycombs. Right, they store honey in their honeycombs. Clear? चलिए, a lot of people do, क्या करते? A lot of people do bee farming. Next, they use dash hives to bees to live in. They use man-made hives, right? Man-made hive for the bees to live in. Now turn the page. Give the past tense of call. Called. ed लगा देंगे. This also we have studied. Explain, explained. Make, made. The past tense of make is made. Arrange the jumbled words. S-V-R-E-A-E-L. Can you think of the word which you can get it from these words? This is several. S-E-V-E-R-A-L. Several. Now I-C-T-S-E-N-S. So the word is insects. I-N-S-E-C-T-S. Insects. Chalo, give antonyms of outside. Very easy. Inside. Easy. Difficult. Now, name any product you get from the following. Cow. Cow से क्या मिलता है? Milk. Cow dung you can say. Silkworm. What do you get from silkworm? We get silk. Right? So here we complete the scene passages of chapter number 2. Now today's homework is unseen passage 1 and 2 of chapter number 2. This is chapter number 2's unseen passage 1 and this is unseen passage 2. Right? So this would be your homework. Till we meet tomorrow. Here is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye. Don't forget to do the homework.